Okay, ready? So in practical homework, number 1, write a query to display and retrieve all records from customer table.
This is the homework for next week or for now?
No, this is not the homework for next week. This was given yesterday.
So you ask us
It's
to
okay.
submit on next Saturday.
Yeah, but don't worry about to submit this one. There's another one I'm gonna give you. Submit that one.
More difficult one.
Yes, it's more difficult one.
Will we combine it? Class 12?
Class 13, I think. Class 13. Okay, now the next one. Give me the answer.
Customer investment account. Query, display, customer name, customer ID, customer name, customer ID.
Customer data.
From customer. Is that right? All right.
Insert.
Now just give me the concept on this one. Insert
Insert
into
Customer name, customer ID, customer name.
forgetting something.
insert it to customers, value.
Customers.
Value. Then open a parenthesis.
Open a parentheses.
Open parenthesis, then you do customer.
So columns.
Column.
Then values. Hold on, column or columns.
Columns 1, 2, 3, 4.
Name.
Values 1.
Okay.
Can I see anything?
One.
Yeah, columns 1.
Oh, you can see anything. Of course you can. There you go. Column 1.
Column 2.
Column 2. Column 3. Okay. Value 1. Value 2. Value 3.
So, column 1 corresponding to value 1 and column 2 value 2.
Right. Okay. Write a query to update a name. Update contact name as your name for customer ID number 4.
Update customers where
Set contact name. Contact name. As
No. Okay. So set what is gonna go here. Contact name.
contact name.
As Rihanna.
Okay. Then where
Or customer ID is equal to 1. Yes, customer ID is equal to something number 4.
4.
Yes.
Okay. Find out row number. Find out row number 12 to
20.
display all row. Display all row between 11 to 12 in customers.
Okay,
Select
customers.
customers.
Where?
Select star from customers.
Where?
Where?
No, between.
No, we're
Where ID is equal to something between ID
Or
and
customer
value.
ID.
Where customer ID
Customer ID is equal to
Between.
number
Between.
Between 11 and 20.
11 and 11 and
Between 11 and 20.
perfect, right? There's 2 ways to do this, right? Customer ID less than 11, more than, yeah. I know it's not needed. I like to do it for readability purpose.
You can do 11 greater than equal to 20.
In here? No. But if you do the other way we learned earlier, customer then equal to 11 equal or sorry, less than 11, less than equal to 11, more than equal to 20. That. But since we learned the new easy way,
There's no point doing this.
exactly. Okay. Find out all information of customer whose customer ID is between 10 to 16. So that's the same thing.
Could you zoom in a little bit more on the view stream?
Oh, zoom in. Sure. Okay. Find out the last 10 rows of the customer table.
Select
Last 10. Where?
You guys are so confident on this one. I'm surprised. Where?
Customer ID. Last 10.
There's no last 10.
select last 10 from customer.
There has to be something descending and a DESC.
Oh, is it okay? Descending. No, not descending. No. Last 10 rows.
It's last 10. It's last.
10 rows.
But how would I say last 10?
I mean, there has to be a last command, then you specify the number.
Kind of, sort of.
Similar to last.
Like for doing top
Bottom,
right,
like
select
there has to be
top
bottom.
from.
Yes. Yes, you're right. Okay. So what we have, and keep in mind of the. Keep in mind. Okay, now this is a new one. Keep in mind that this is one of those dialect issues. So note all database doesn't support select top calls. Okay, MySQL supports limit. Okay, so MySQL supports limit. Oracle uses row num. Microsoft Access use select top. MySQL use limit. Oracle, which we're going to be using, uses row num, and so on. Top, limit, row num. Okay? So the syntax is this one. We're going to be using this one, right? Because we're using Oracle. Select column name from table where row num less than equal to the number. Okay.
What is last 10 rows? First I have to know how
Exactly.
many rows.
So select all from customer where row num 10. Yeah, less than equal to 10.
That's like a top 10 though.
Top 10.
Yeah, it could be top 10.
Order by
Descending.
descending.
Yep, then it makes sense.
Let's say customer ID descending or something descending or row num descending. Okay?
Yeah, right.
So that's a kind of common questions to ask. So let me see if there's a practice allowed for this one.
Maybe you cannot use order by.
Huh? No, you can use order by. You can. I know that for sure because that was one of my interview questions. Okay. So from customer, let me see if row num is allowed here. Where row num equal 5. Or yeah, it's not row num is not. No, Ronum is not using. So in W3 school, remember I told you it's HTML, everything. So they are not really letting you put in Ronum. You can only do that in Oracle, but they programmed it in such a way where you can use top, which is a SQL, Microsoft SQL, I think, use top. Microsoft SQL uses limit, select top. Not all database use select top. I don't know who uses top. Oh, MS Access and SQL Server uses top. So they just took the first one and programmed it that way. So this one is going to be something that we are going to be practicing in Oracle. Okay, but you get the idea, right? We'll just come back. We'll just do that. We'll just practice it real life.
If we delete row num from this answer, it will be fine. If we said select custom last 10 rows, order by descending, it will pull from the last.
Is there a last command?
Is there a last command?
No. I am not saying last command. It will take from the bottom. If we give the descending command, it will pick the data from the bottom.
Yeah, but it doesn't know if it's top 10 or bottom 10 or 20.
So what was your question?
He was saying so row num.
This is not using row num. Row num is not accepted in W3.
Right.
So if you write it like by order by descending, see what happens.
It's going to show them all.
So you're saying that just adapt to Microsoft SQL Server's way? The select top?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's going to display from bottom to top, but it's going to display them all if you don't tell.
So it's going to do this, right? And then you're saying that order by customer ID descending.
Top 10. Yeah. But it's like
Select top 10, not 3. We are asking for
Okay, so 10. Okay.
Yeah.
It worked.
Yeah, it works.
But remember, we don't want to use top. Okay, you don't want to use top.
I just want to see what happens.
Okay, see what happens. Okay.
But actually, it looks like it worked though.
No, it works. It works. But it's, yeah, I just didn't want to show it because of the top. But long as you guys know that this is the syntax we're gonna be using. Row num, not top. Row num. Okay. All right. So next one.
But that's in case the numbers is by order in the ID. What about the numbers is not by order?
In the ID.
Yeah. So we can't use order by if we don't find like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So something has to be in order, right? So you have to.
In case we don't find anyone by order. So how to do it?
So how is your database going to stay, like, you have to find how is your database set up? How is it keeping track of that? Like, what is being prioritized? You have to find that. So for example,
It may not be the customer ID.
it doesn't,
on the top.
yeah,
It may be the names.
it could be.
Then you would have to.
If the names is different, so we can't. It's not by order.
Something has to be in order.
Then you will have to order it to get it.
Can you go back to
Yeah.
If you don't want it in the order, you just want the top 10 records.
But the table in the initial time is like that, so we don't need to modify to change it in the beginning.
Sure. But if you need.
We have to keep it like that.
Okay.
Okay, what do you mean? Okay, explain to me. Let me try to understand.
So you said in case we didn't find any column, we can't use order by. It's not. Let's say the name is not by order.
Okay, name is not
by
by
order. The ID
order.
number is not by order.
That it has to be, something has to be in order.
Yeah, by default is
Like
all the time.
all the time. something has to be in order.
By default, it's
By
always
default,
descending
it is
order.
in
Like the
ascending order.
primary key?
Ascending
Yeah,
order.
yeah.
I think
By
by
default.
default.
If the primary key is social security number or something.
It's gonna be by
Possible
order.
it will be in the order.
Yeah.
There's gonna be always a customer
So-
ID.
So the question is, they're usually going to ask you question like who is making the highest salary, or who is tell me the
Top 10 highest salary.
top 10 highest salary. Top 10 highest salary. So let's say that your table is not in order. So you have to put it as an order first, right? And then you have to get the highest salary. They're not just gonna wanna know what is the bottom is, like what is the bottom three. That's just for conceptual. But they want to know what is the top 3 salary, or what is the top 5 commissions, or top 10. So what do you do at that time? Or show me the oldest person in our company. So what if you were to ask the oldest person in the company? I know that's a bad example. Oldest person in the company, what would you do if you have unsorted table? What would you do?
You can still use max.
Suppose I can look at all the
But
tables.
let's say that three oldest.
Same age.
Then you're getting just one highest, the first person who's like the oldest. But I want 3 oldest person from the company. I know that's never gonna happen, but let's see.
Do you mean same age?
Not same
3
age.
person?
The oldest person.
I can look at the age first of all. Whatever the like a column's age, then age I will look at the limit. That age I can order, descending order from top to bottom.
So what are you doing at that point? You're sorting the table,
I'm
right?
sorting by descending order from
So you're ordering
top
the
to bottom.
table.
Yeah. And
Okay.
you show me the highest age.
Mm-hmm.
And then you can display top 3 or bottom.
The
3.
display
Top
top
3 or
You're
bottom
gonna have
3.
two different queries. Like one is, max, but you can actually use max and then display the top max 3. Can you not do that?
Yeah, you can do that. So your answer to that is, if something is not sorted, sort it first and then display it.
But sort should be like order by default. It should be descending order regardless.
In
Either you order it or not. So I can. It is descending order. It is ascending order, right? And by
Right.
default. Then I just do the descending from the
Yeah,
top to bottom.
maybe whichever data
Not
whichever
necessarily.
data you are trying to sort out is not in ascending order. And that time you have to ascend it and then display the number.
She means like the primary key is ascending order by default, right? But everything else, it may not be in ascending or descending, but you may need to make it to ascending to evaluate something.
Yeah.
Or descending certain columns certain times. So
And that
you can do
certain
that.
column we can do by descending. For if I want to know the age, that particular age column, then I can do the descending order. So it will be showing me the top to bottom.
Yes.
If it happen to be 100 years old, of course we're 100 and then 99. Or 99.
So let's just do an example. So this is supplier ID, right? Where order by country DC. DSC.
Good.
Okay, so now what is happening? You told it to give me. You didn't say look at the ID. It's unsorted right now, because I said that country be sorted and give me the top 3. I don't know why it gave me 4, but it gave me. It's supposed to give me the top 3. Why did you give me top 3? Top 4. What happens when you put top 4? Okay. What happens if you get 5?
It gives you like 17. Maybe they're duplicates.
Maybe the duplicate.
Yeah, maybe have same as.
Because you are ordering by country. If you order it by customer name, maybe it will be perfect.
Okay.
Yeah,
Or
because
customer
the
ID.
country. Yeah.
Country may be duplicate.
It's not supposed to do that though. But it's okay. We're gonna take it anyway. Okay. So that now we just sorted by something. So your general question is, what would you want to sort, and what is the last stop that you want? Was it the last 3 countries? Was it the last 3 people name in the alphabet? Is it the last 3 salary, highest salary, lowest salary, things like that? So top is
Rihanna,
what?
what is the best way to sort a table, in your opinion? If somebody asks us a question like this,
What
so
is
which field is to be sorted?
primary key is always
Primary.
sorted. So and then of course, like if you're
You can also use unique key.
unique key could be sorted too. It depends on the problem, really,
depends on the
whatever
query.
problem you're working on. So submit the following query. Write a query to show me all the city names that is blank. Okay, we're gonna skip that one. Submit the query, then write a query for all the city names that is blank. Oh, so the city name should be like no from customer where city is no. Whoa, why is it showing me this? It's not even supposed to be showing me this, but anyway. Okay, so that's that. What about show me all the customer who lives in US and Finland? We already know how to do that, right? Where did it go? City equal or country. Wait, what did I write city for? Oh, who lives? Oh, yeah. I thought I wrote city for some reason. Country equal USA
And Finland.
or. I get confused in that one too. So Finland.
We can write in also.
Yeah, what country in? That's a better way. Comma Canada. I don't need only put N, just comma Canada. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. There's multiple ways to do it. Okay, so customer name begin with R. Wildcard, right?
Right. Select
Select star from customer.
their name, customer,
Like
Where customer name like what percentage?
percent R.
Percent
R
or
percent.
R percentage.
R percent.
R percentages. Okay. Okay, give me the average of
Register from products and then
AVG
ABG
price from products, right?
from products.
Ignore the E.
And same thing like a mean or something.
Min.
Particularly is the ABG.
Find the min price of the product table and name as this is the min.
Set
Set. Yeah, set.
No.
as set price as
No. As
And now as
this is min.
this is yeah.
Okay. Show me all the products in the table in descending order. Order by
DSC.
but descending what?
Order number.
Order number.
Order by just DSC.
No. I mean, you have to specify which column you wanted to.
So all the columns you are saying, right?
You are saying all the columns.
That's to display, but order by what?
Order by
Yeah,
what?
the order by
Product
DSC,
ID.
right?
Okay, so order by, right? What is it gonna do? Like which column do you want to? Which column do you want it to?
Order
Can I
ID.
see your query?
You said all the columns
You
in
say
the
all the columns.
question.
Display all the column.
That's to display.
Display all the
Display
columns.
all
It
the
is
columns,
displaying
yeah.
all the columns. But what do you want to order it by?
Order ID.
Order ID or
Okay.
Alright, descending.
I think order ID is very unique, so or customer ID as well.
They all unique too. That's unique too.
No,
Not value given.
What is order by what?
It is because products table doesn't have order. Let me change it to orders. There you go.
Okay, you put
I put wrong table name.
order by order ID.
Order ID. We can do order by
Also
shipper ID.
Customer ID also I can do, right?
Yeah. Anything you want.
Anything which is very
Order by
So
function
now,
and order.
so now you can descending is gonna go the other way around. Yeah.
So everything is a command. You just have to know.
You just have to know that.
Yeah.
Actually, it's fairly easy. You just have to practice.
But if you write order by and don't specify ascending or descending,
It's gonna be ascending.
It's gonna be ascending.
automatically
By default, I think
Mhm.
you
One.
say it at the beginning because that makes sense, right?
Yep.
It's always the case in everything. Ascending is the default.
Ascending. Then the last question is find all the different country that exist in customer table. That should be easy.
Select all.
Distinct
Country from.
country. Country from.
customer.
Okay. Now I want to see everything.
Yeah.
Okay, then
Select
you
all
want
listing.
listing.
No. I mean I want to see all the columns. I meant.
Select
a
asterisk.
star
Asterisk.
and then from customer and by order by distinct.
Order by
No,
distinct.
sorry.
No, select asterisk from
Just run it
customers
now.
where distinct country or just just put.
How about this?
Yeah, just run it now. It's fine.
Hold on. Hold on.
Select distinct star. Where distinct star.
There's no distinct in there because you want.
Just put all there. Yeah, there you go.
There you go.
Now you're singing.
Now I'm saying everything. Remember, anytime you want to show a column, do anything with a column, this is where you put it. Anytime you want to do anything with a row, this is where you put it. Where? So I wanted to see all the column, right? So distinct is distinct plus it's showing me everything. So what did I put? Comma and star.
Okay, if you don't put the country, just select distinct star from customer. The one you
Select distinct. What is it?
If you take away the country,
It will
Star
only show
from
the
customers.
country.
just a star. Just put all.
Distinct.
Distinct.
Is it gonna show you nothing?
That's what he's saying. What happens?
No, this
Distinct all. Oh, it's gonna show you everything because everything is distinct, right? Because it's comparing customer ID, customer name, contact name, and things like that. It's gonna show you everything. I wonder if I duplicate a value.
So if you only put the country,
Uh-huh.
you'll get only country.
Which one? You mean distinct country?
Yeah.
Country?
Yeah.
Yes, only the country.
That's only the country.
Select displays essentially.
Then you need to put the star because if you want to populate all the columns, right?
All the columns. If you want to see all the columns. If you want to sort everything and make sure there's no duplicate value and everything, then you put select distinct start by. Why would you do that?
Star from
Yeah. Oh, you could do that to see if there's any duplicate value in the record. But I mean, your constraint will take care of that.
Why arrow comes out?
Because of the
Maybe you
no
don't put
parentheses.
the parentheses. You need to take out the parentheses.
Oh, let's take up the parentheses. You know, it should have parentheses around it. It just makes sense. There you go. But you can see if there's any duplicate record. But you never have to do that because you have constraints in your database, right? So whenever you're inputting, Why would you use this? Tell me one good reason to use this. Why would you use this?
Well, I don't want any duplicate, any kind of. Still no, I don't know. Yeah, that's a good question.
No, here duplication is
Yeah,
there in
US is
country
true.
because
Duplication is there though.
we have not mentioned any column. Which column we want to be distinct.
So it's checking everything, right?
Yes.
So it's checking row 1 against row 2, 3, 4, 5. But why would you use it?
If
So
you
why
have
use
the
it?
same two rows, then it will remove the duplicate.
Yes, but since you have what is called the constraints, right? This is not necessary, because if you have supplier ID as a primary key, then it's gonna be unique, right? So would it ever be duplicate? Would you ever get a result?
No.
No.
Only if you don't put a constraint, which is highly rare. You have to have constraint in all of them. So most likely it is going to be different. Okay. Show me all the different countries. Okay.
Show me all the distinct price.
Show me all the distinct price from product table and show me the product order. Products cannot be distinct.
It's like a select star from
Just put
products.
the distinct
Price.
price.
Price,
Select
price,
distinct price from product.
price distinct. Select
Okay.
distinct.
Hold on. Oh, 1 second. Show me all the distinct price from product table and show me the products. Show me the products order. Products cannot be distinct. Price has to be distinct.
So
Oh,
we
okay.
can write like not distinct also.
So where are you gonna write?
Like for the not cannot be distinct, we can write the not distinct.
No, because if you don't write distinct, it cannot distinct automatically, right? Okay.
So it should be select and distinct star price.
Distinct star
Not distinct
Not
and then
price.
price. Oh, price.
From product.
From product of course, and then what?
Order
Which
by
one? Order by
product descending.
order by product descending. Product DSC.
Name.
Product name DSC.
Product. It will price descending.
What? I'm sorry. What is your statement?
It says
Which will be descending or top dot?
it says show me all distinct price from product table and show me the products order.
No, it is not descending. It is product order.
Just the distinct price.
Not descending, right? It's not descending, right? Yeah.
Is it ascending?
The order, no, right? It's ascending. Right?
What does it say? Product cannot be distinct. Price has to be distinct. Show me all the distinct price from product table and show me the product order. Show me the product's order.
So, yeah, it should be like an order. First order. Not product name. Order.
Product order.
Product order.
Not product name.
Order by
Product. No, Rihanna, order by product. Name.
order by product name. Yeah.
Product name cannot be.
I mean,
Oh,
product
should be
name
like
should be in the
product
same
name.
statement.
N should be like your.
No.
I think I wrote this like 2 years ago. I cannot even remember why I wrote it, but I think I wrote it because of this syntax right here. Why was it giving error?
Order by clause.
Because product name, there is no product.
Why is that there?
Because you may have two same product.
Yes.
Order
Yeah.
You may have two different
Yeah,
products with
two
the same
different
price.
same name, same price. Yeah, because same
Order
name,
by price.
Product name.
the same price. That's what they cannot distinct.
So hold on. So it's saying that basically give us product name
Because you never specified which columns to show.
Show me all the distinct price from the product table, okay? And show me the product's order.
Price and the product order.
Product order.
Yeah, just select like a distinct
Price and product order. What is the product order?
No, I think I meant like order it. Products in order.
Products order. Okay, so order ID.
Maybe it's asking you to even display that for you to write a condition on it.
Okay, so show me all distinct price from product table. Show me the product order. Yeah, product cannot be distinct and price has to be distinct. Yeah.
So select this fine. Select
Order by
distinct price.
By product ID, not product name.
Product name, yeah. Product name. Yes, yes.
Which
Order
one?
by also
Order
product name.
by
That's good. I think it should work, right? This one.
Okay.
Order by
Yeah.
price.
Wait, column to display na kunde.
So it actually basically all those.
I think that's probably why I wrote it. I can't remember.
Can you want to specify
Our column.
Maybe I.
We cannot make a mistake with the product name. Column name.
Yeah. Okay. So those of you who did not go over this, the definitional homework, please do go over it. A lot of the interview questions are going to come from here.
Everything in the table, everything in the homework.
Yes. And then look at the star. Look at the star. These are interview questions.
They are dangerous.
Yeah, they're dangerous
So what's the
ones.
difference between unique and primary key?
Unique and primary key?
Constraints. I know the difference.
Constraint.
What's the difference between it? Because what is the constraint? You're not asking for the difference between the unique and primary key. You're asking for the difference of constraint of unique key and the primary.
Well, primary key and unique, it's like saying primary key is a constraint, unique key is a constraint. So this is the question. It's just the constraint kind of throws you. Yep. All right, online question. Do you guys have any online students? Do you guys have any questions?
If you have two unique input,
You can have multiple unique. You can have only one primary.
Well, but what exactly the difference? That cannot be the. That's the character. Something else.
That's one of them. Unique key cannot be foreign key in another table. Primary key can. Yeah. Good. No. Great. Okay. I'm gonna send a homework, but do the definitional homework meanwhile. All right, guys. Thank you. Bye.
Rehana, you are going to post some homework, okay?
Yes. So meanwhile, you do this homework
Okay, and when it is to be submitted?
next Saturday. All right, guys. I am signing off now. Thank you.